Experiencing trouble signing into Cash App? You're not alone. Sign-in failures often stem from authentication problems, expired sessions, incorrect passwords, or device mismatches. Sometimes it's due to Cash App's security measures triggered by suspicious activity, requiring extra verification. Outages and app bugs can also prevent access, so don't panic. There are several solutions. Before diving deep, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, make sure your Cash App is up to date. Head to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and update to the latest version, e.g. 5.80 or later. Outdated apps can have bugs that prevent sign-in. A simple restart can often clear minor glitches in Cash App. Start by closing the app completely and reopening it. If closing the app doesn't resolve the issue, try restarting your phone to clear any system glitches. If you still can't sign in, tap Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. This will initiate the reset process. Follow the email or SMS prompts to create a new, secure password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. If your Cash App account is locked due to suspected suspicious activity, you'll need to verify your identity to regain access. The verification process may require you to submit a photo of your government-issued ID or enter your social security number directly in the app. You'll need to complete a verification form, providing details like your full name, date of birth, driver's license number, and state of issue. Then, upload a clear photo or scan of your ID. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the verification. If you run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to contact Cash App support through the app, email support.cash.app, or call their helpline at 1-800-969-1940. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps resolve your sign-in issue, it's time to contact Cash App support directly. You have two main options for getting help. First, you can use the in-app help feature. Look for the Help or Support section within the Cash App menu to access quick assistance and chat with support representatives. Alternatively, you can call Cash App support directly at 1-800-969-1940. This phone line is available for more complex issues that require immediate assistance. To help support diagnose your issue faster, be ready to provide specific error codes you're seeing, such as invalid credentials or account suspended. Having this information ready will speed up the resolution process. For example, if you see an error message about incorrect credentials, or if your account appears suspended, these are the types of issues support can help resolve. Cash App is increasingly using AI to resolve sign-in issues. Their AI chatbot can handle most common problems autonomously, resolving 70% of issues without human intervention. Looking ahead, Cash App plans to test blockchain-based recovery options. This innovative approach could potentially eliminate the need for passwords altogether, making sign-ins more secure and seamless. In the near future, expect proactive fixes that automatically detect and resolve potential issues before they affect users. Cash App also plans expanded support for wearable devices, making sign-ins even more convenient through devices like smartwatches. To prevent sign-in issues, start with strong passwords. A strong password mixes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, avoiding common words or personal information. Make it unique for each account to protect against breaches. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. This adds a second verification step, like a code from an app or biometric scan, making it harder for unauthorized access even if your password is compromised. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Never click suspicious links or share credentials in response to unexpected emails. Verify requests directly through the official Cash App and report suspicious activity to avoid account lockouts. Never share your login credentials with anyone. This includes passwords, verification codes, or access to your device. Sharing increases the risk of unauthorized sign-ins and potential account theft. Keep your Cash App and device updated. Regular updates fix security bugs and improve compatibility, reducing the chance of sign-in glitches or vulnerabilities that could lock your account. Regularly monitor your account for suspicious activity. Check transaction history and settings frequently. If you notice anything unusual, change your password immediately and contact support.